Trent's YouTube channel. We are going to do a unboxing, well, semi-unboxing of these Husky wheel well guards for my 2018 F-150. Hopefully you've watched some of our other videos, tailgate assist, interior and exterior walk around. We're going to show you kind of what you get for the rear well guards, how to install them today. So we actually tried to do this like a week or two ago. We started to open them and we found that Husky accidentally only sent us the 2 well guards but did not include any of the screws or anything. So I did email them, and credit to Husky, they overnighted the appropriate hardware here, so the U-clips and all the screws. I got those the very next day, so good customer service there. I'd recommend that. So what you get are your clips, your 2 well guards, and about I don't know, 30 minutes of your time. So we'll show you how to install these. Alright guys, so we have the driver's side well guard, and they make it pretty easy. You can see this one is stamped ES for driver's side, so you don't accidentally install them backwards. So Trent, come on up here. What you need to do is take one of these little clips, and at least on the F-150, there are going to be 2 spots that are pre-drilled into your bed, here and here. So you're supposed to take one of these clips and set them over those pre-drilled holes. There, you're supposed to take your guard, set it up over. Again, this is the driver's side. Done. I've heard it's good to have a pair of gloves because you have to push the edges up under the metal. I heard it can make your hands pretty sore. So try this out. Oh, also, if you like this t-shirt that I'm wearing, my brother, hopefully you've seen, has started his Hurley football school portion of his YouTube channel, so make sure you watch his football videos and share those, give them a thumbs up. Sweating. These ones look good. So what actually made mine a little tougher here is I have factory installed mud flaps, and the clips that bolt on to help keep the mud flaps retained actually caught on the well guard just a little bit. I mean, not bad, but it might be something you just want to be aware of. So as you can tell, those are just pushed into place and they're already pretty firm. So now we got to make sure we align these, and we're just going to put a screw through the U-clips that we installed in step 1. Alright, so we got these 2 screws fastened in. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, my box did not include these screws originally. It's important, from what I've read, not to just go out to a random hardware store and buy screws, because they coat these so that you don't have to worry about galvanic corrosion later on down the life of the truck. So it's important that you use the factory screws with the aluminum bodies on the F-150s. That way you don't have future rust corrosion there. So these are in. The instructions say not to fasten them down all the way until you have the other points secured. Even without them being secured in, they're pretty well solid. So you have 2 more points, one on the back, one on the front. In order to do that, you have to put the clip around the back side and then thread the screw through. You don't actually pre-clip those on. So I'm going to go ahead and reach around the back here and start this screw as well. See? Yeah. Alright, so now that I got that started, you can see everything in there is really solid, nice clearance there. So I think I'm going to go ahead and lock the rest of these down. All right. Alright guys, so now it's time to just reverse the process. Again, passenger side, it'll be stamped in there PS on the top. And actually we had this one sitting out on the pavement while I did the other side, and just from being in the sun for 10 minutes, you can tell it's a lot more pliable already. So that's a little bit of a tip for you if you're going to install yours. If it's a nice day, leave them sit in the sun for 10 or 15 minutes and then they'll be a little easier to work with. I would recommend the gloves though, because they are a pretty tight fit, and my thumbs got a little sore from doing the other side, so gloves are recommended. So again, you just go ahead and install the U-clips. Actually, I'll just take the ones off. My girlfriend and my dad are watching me, they're making me nervous. So again, you want to install one of the U-clips. Come here, Trent. One on this contact point, one right there. Again, those are already drilled, you don't have to do that. Now we can put our gloves back on. So again, you can see that little clip right there from my factory mud flaps is the only contact point where it's kind of getting stuck. Stiff. Think it's funny, Ashley? That's good. I'm glad. There it is. All right, so you can hear it clipped into place pretty good. Make sure it's all tucked up under there. Okay. So again, factory screws. We're gonna fasten these 2 points first. Now, mine I kind of have to wiggle around just a little bit to get to line up. Again, they recommend you don't fasten them the whole way down on the first go through. Okay, and then we'll do the rear clip again. Now my rear clips lined up a bit better than my front clips. Actually goes on a little better if you twist the clip instead of the screw. You can finish fastening down. Helps to hold the clip too. Alright, so that's fast. So make sure you lock everything down there. That's it, guys. That's all it took to install the well guards. So it makes cleaning a lot nicer. I know my dad was looking and commented on it. Just looks a lot nicer as well. So if you liked the video, if you learned something, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you toss my brother a subscribe on his channel. Fall time's coming up, so hopefully we'll have some hunting videos for you, maybe some deer videos. Again, make sure you stay tuned to my brother's football channel as well. Same channel, just the Hurley Football School. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks guys, have a good day.